Surah Al-Najm, the star. This surah is Meccan, containing 3 sections and 62 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
والنجم إذا هوى.
By the star when it descends.
ما ضل صاحبكم وما غوى.
Your companion has neither strayed nor erred.
وما ينطق عن الهوى.
And he does not speak from his desire.
إن هو إلا وحي يوحى.
It is but divine revelation revealed to him.
علمه شديد القوى.
He was taught by the supremely powerful.
ذو مرة فاستوى.
Possessor of might, then he intended.
وهو بالأفق الأعلى.
While he was at the highest peak of the heavens.
ثم دنا فتدلى.
Then the vision drew closer and then even closer.
فكان قاب قوسين أو أدنى.
So he was 2 bow lengths away, rather nearer than that.
فأوحى إلى عبده ما أوحى.
So he revealed to his chosen one what he revealed.
ما كذب الفؤاد ما رأى.
The heart did not deny what it, i.e., the eye saw.
أفتمارونه على ما يرى.
So do you dispute with him concerning what he saw?
ولقد رآه نزلة أخرى.
And indeed he saw that vision a second time.
عند سدرة المنتهى.
At the lote tree of the furthest boundary, Sidratul Muntaha.
عندها جنة المأوى.
The paradise of eternal residence, Jannatul Ma'wa, is near it.
إذ يغشى السدرة ما يغشى.
When the lote tree was covered by that which covered.
ما زاغ البصر وما طغى.
The eye did not waver nor did it exceed the limit.
لقد رأى من آيات ربه الكبرى.
Indeed, he saw many of the greatest signs of his Lord.
أفرأيتم اللات والعزى.
So, O people, did you see Al-Lat and Al-Uzza?
ومناة الثالثة الأخرى.
And another Manat, the third one?
ألكم الذكر وله الأنثى.
Is there a son for you and a daughter for him?
تلك إذا قسمة ضيزى.
Then that is an unjust division.
إن هي إلا أسماء سميتموها أنتم وآباؤكم ما أنزل الله بها من سلطان إن يتبعون إلا الظن وما تهوى الأنفس ولقد جاءهم من ربهم الهدى.
These are only names which you and your forefathers have named them. Allah has not sent down any endorsement for them. They are only adhering to uncertain conjecture and what they themselves desire, even though guidance has certainly come to them from their Lord.
أم للإنسان ما تمنى.
Or will man have whatever he desires?
فلله الآخرة والأولى.
So Allah alone is the master of the hereafter and this world.
وكم من ملك في السماوات لا تغني شفاعتهم شيئا إلا من بعد أن يأذن الله لمن يشاء ويرضى.
And how many angels are there in the heavens whose intercession does not benefit at all, except after Allah grants permission for whomsoever He wills, and whomsoever He is pleased with.
إن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة ليسمون الملائكة تسمية الأنثى.
Indeed, those who do not believe in the hereafter, they name the angels with female names.
وما لهم به من علم إن يتبعون إلا الظن وإن الظن لا يغني من الحق شيئا.
They have no knowledge to support this. They follow mere assumptions. And indeed, assumptions cannot replace truth.
فأعرض عمن تولى عن ذكرنا ولم يرد إلا الحياة الدنيا.
So turn away from the one who turned away from our remembrance and only desired the life of this world.
ذلك مبلغهم من العلم إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بمن اهتدى.
This is the extent of their knowledge. Indeed, your Lord is fully aware of the one who strayed from his path, and he is fully aware of the one who attained guidance.
ولله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ليجزي الذين أساءوا بما عملوا ويجزي الذين أحسنوا بالحسنى.
And to Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth, that He may recompense those who do evil for what they did, and He may recompense those who perform righteous deeds with the most beautiful reward, i.e. paradise.
الذين يجتنبون كبائر الإثم والفواحش إلا اللمم إن ربك واسع المغفرة هو أعلم بكم إذ أنشأكم من الأرض وإذ أنتم أجنة في بطون أمهاتكم فلا تزكوا أنفسكم هو أعلم بمن اتقى.
And those who refrain from major sins and indecencies accept the approach to sin. Indeed, the forgiveness of your Lord is vast. He knows you full well when He created you from the earth, and when you were fetuses in your mother's wombs. So do not declare purity for yourselves. He is fully aware of the one who adopted piety.
أفرأيت الذي تولى.
So did you see the one who turned away?
وأعطى قليلا وأكدى.
And he gave little and withheld?
أعنده علم الغيب فهو يرى.
Does he have knowledge of the unseen that he sees?
أم لم ينبأ بما في صحف موسى.
Or was he not informed of that which is in the scriptures of Musa
وإبراهيم الذي وفى.
and Ibrahim who fulfilled all obligations?
ألا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى.
And that no bearer of burdens will bear the burden of another.
وأن ليس للإنسان إلا ما سعى.
or that for man there is only that for which he strives,
وأن سعيه سوف يرى
and his endeavour will soon be seen.
ثم يجزاه الجزاء الأوفى
Then he will be granted a full reward.
وأن إلى ربك المنتهى
And that the ultimate return is to your Lord.
وأنه هو أضحك وأبكى
Moreover, that it is he who caused one to laugh and cry,
وأنه هو أمات وأحيا
it is he who caused death and gave life,
وأنه خلق الزوجين الذكر والأنثى
and that it is he who created pairs male and female
من نطفة إذا تمنى
from a seminal droplet when it is discharged inside,
وأن عليه النشأة الأخرى
and that bringing to life again is upon him,
وأنه هو أغنى وأقنى
and that it is he who enriched and granted contentment,
وأنه هو رب الشعرى
it is he who is the Lord of Sirius,
وأنه أهلك عادا الأولى
and it is he who destroyed the earlier nations of Ad,
وثمود فما أبقى
and Thamud, not sparing anyone,
وقوم نوح من قبل إنهم كانوا هم أظلم وأطغى
He obliterated the nation of Nuh before them. Indeed, they were more oppressive and rebellious.
والمؤتفكة أهوى
And he cast down the overturned villages,
فغشاها ما غشا
so that which covered them then covered them.
فبأي آلاء ربك تتمارى
So which favours of your Lord will you doubt?
هذا نذير من النذر الأولى
This prophet is a warner among the previous warners,
أزفت الآزفة
that which draws near, resurrection drew near.
ليس لها من دون الله كاشفة
None other than Allah can disclose it.
أفمن هذا الحديث تعجبون
So do you find this statement strange?
وتضحكون ولا تبكون
And you laugh and you do not cry?
وأنتم سامدون
And you are heedless.
فاسجدوا لله واعبدوا
So prostrate to Allah and worship Him.